under the full moon. We're here for a T1 inspection, and it's almost 8 o'clock, and they want to go home at 8 o'clock, so we feel very optimistic that it's going to be done quickly. Hey, it's a cattle truck in front of us. Welcome to the joy of trucking. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us. And today we are going to take you through this entire T1 inspection with a little snafu as well. Enjoy!
Cow shit? DOT in a periodic maintenance lube.
Oh, what?
Lubrication.
Okay, we'll see if we can get it done. We closed 1 minute ago.
Yeah, I know.
We'll see.
You want me to shut it off?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, so we got this load Thursday. We dropped off a load in Miraloma, California at noon on time, and our next appointment was 1:30, about 10 miles away in Ontario, California. And we arrived on time. Got backed up to the door, and they didn't finish loading us till 3:30. It was a live load, and then so it's a Thursday afternoon. By the time I closed up the doors, sealed it, checked everything, did the paperwork on the tablet, we were on the road at 4 o'clock on a Thursday afternoon in the LA area, headed up Highway 15 to Barstow. So that was touch and go. Could have been a lot worse. It moved pretty good, actually. Better than I expected. Got on I-40, headed to Edwardsville, Illinois, just east of St. Louis. We made it to Essex, California, out in the middle of the Mojave Desert that night. Just a couple hundred miles. Wonderful night out there in the desert. And the next morning got up and continued. We did about 690 miles through California, through Arizona, through New Mexico. Where did we get to that night? It was, what's the name of that town? Santa Rosa. Got to the Loves there. That's where we were last night. And today we are in Joplin, Missouri. Now the funny thing, as soon as we got the trailer and got going, a message came over. Hey, that trailer is scheduled for a T1 maintenance, which is every 120 days, and CRETE often asks the drivers to take care of it by pulling into a TA or a Loves. If it's just, a lube job, it goes pretty quick. Trouble is finding a place that's not busy, because you can pull in somewhere and they've got a bunch of trucks lined up, and then you're there.
So you want a PM service now too?
Yeah.
All right. So do you know if anyone's at their shop to send a ride over?
For the work order, you mean?
Yeah.
There's supposed to be somebody there 24 hours a day. It's roadside assistance. So if I'm broke down, there's got to be somebody there.
Okay.
You gotta send a message for the work order. I'll give them a call and see if I can get them on it too.
Okay.
All right. So the problem with these T1s is you might pull up at a place and it's real quick to get the work done, but if they're busy, you might wait a couple of hours before they take you in. So what I did Friday, driving through New Mexico, there's a Loves like every hour practically. And I kept calling ahead. As soon as I got within like 40 miles of a Loves, I'd call and say, hey, you got a service shop? I just need a real quick maintenance on the trailer. Are you busy? And it was, oh, we're real busy, or oh, our mechanics are out on the road service, fixing somebody breakdown. No, we don't even have a service shop. So on it went all day. Even pulled into a place and where they said they weren't busy, and I took one look and they're like, oh, the mechanic is AWOL, we don't know where he is, and it could be a couple hours before we find him. And I'm like, okay, yeah, thanks anyway. Kept going. So today we started off and called a couple of places, but it wasn't working out. Finally, it's like 8 o'clock at night. this place took us in. We did have to wait for another truck to get out. Here we are in the bay. Hopefully they get going on it. So I'm going to make a phone call now to road assistance and see if they can get going on their end with the paperwork, and that might make things a little quicker.
Okay, go ahead.
So hopefully we get out of here and get to the Flying J next door, and we still have a place there for the night.
Yeah,
that's the plan.
Okay.
Tomorrow we deliver the load, probably early afternoon.
Okay, make your phone call. Let's see what you do. How do you do it? Hey, lifting our hood. What's going on here? Whoa.
Nice.
What's the mileage at?
You took the key. Oh, wait a sec.
Didn't see it without the key.
I wrote it down. Just a sec. I knew you were going to ask. Any left? 385-932.
What is it?
385-932.
How are you paying today? Oh yeah, count.
Yeah.
Just the trailer DOT, right?
Just the trailer, yep. And the maintenance on it.
What kind of oil?
What kind of oil in the... You got me.
We got the Rotella 1540 yellow mobile Delmac, or we've got synthetic or semi-synthetic.
Where are you putting that? In the engine?
Yeah.
No, I'm not getting maintenance on the truck. It's just a trailer periodic maintenance.
I thought you said a PM.
A periodic maintenance on the trailer. Just a lube on the trailer.
Hey, it's only a PM on the trailer.
Why you lifted the hood?
Usually when it's a PM, it's a full oil change.
Oh, just the trailer. In and out. Yeah.
But thank you.
Did he already start?
No. No, he just opened the hood.
No, is there somebody underneath the truck doing stuff?
Oh, I don't know.
I hear him pumping grease.
Are they calling?
Well, they went ahead and greased your truck anyway, but
Sorry
we won't
about
charge you for it. But
All right, thanks.
That's nice of them.
what's your first name, sir?
Kevin.
What's that?
Kevin.
Phone number?
954.
Okay, so now they asked him to turn on his lights so they can do the DOT inspection on the trailer. There's a good example of being very clear in communications, double checking, triple checking, reflecting. Making sure everyone's on the same page. But they're being nice about it and not charging.
I don't have the key. That's why I turned the four-ways on. A little weird here.
Yeah, they probably don't take it for the trailer inspection. The cattle drive. Lots of lights.
pressure you got?
Just 100.
Alrighty. Is your trailer brakes released?
All right.
Alrighty. When I yell out press and hold, I'm gonna have you press and hold on your brake pedal.
Okay. The work order.
Yeah. I'll get you pulled out front, and we'll finish up all your paperwork in the office.
All right. Quick, huh?
Yep. Bada bing, bada bum.
Would have had the oil change too. If I'd let them.
Huh? What'd you say?
They would have had the oil change done on the engine if I'd let them.
All right. Excellent. Off driving to the office.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us today on this T1 inspection experience. Since we were still pretty new to this, we were not sufficiently suspicious when they lifted that hood, but you can be, because now you've seen that that is not supposed to be part of the regular maintenance inspection of the trailer. So if you learned something or enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. Have you done a T1 inspection on a trailer before? And hey, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us, discovering the roads of America and learning about trucking. With that, we wish you a great day. From Joplin, Missouri, with love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.